Okay, here's the math message for lesson 8-5. So it says Sydney wants to mail a thank you card that is 5.5 inches high and 8.5 inches long. Would knowing the perimeter of an envelope help Sydney determine whether the card will fit in it? So she has a thank you card that is 5.5 inches high and 8.5 inches long, and it is a thank you card. Okay, so would knowing the perimeter of an envelope help Sydney determine whether or not the card would fit in? So although this doesn't have any mathematical equations that go with this math message, you guys should know that if you want to find a card to fit in the envelope needs to be a little bit bigger than the card itself, so it would fit inside. But knowing the perimeter of the envelope doesn't tell me whether the length and the height are both a little bigger. So you can have a shape that looks like this and another one that's horizontal, and it would have the same perimeter. So it doesn't really give you the height and the length. So it just tells you the distance around it, not the specific height and the length. So knowing the perimeter of the envelope could help Sydney determine whether or not the card would fit. Is the envelope's perimeter would be smaller than it wouldn't fit, but it wouldn't tell her if it's the right size because it could be way too big. So today we're going to practice making line plots using the heights of different envelopes that are measured to the nearest 1/8 inch. So go look at your journal page 286 and watch the next video.